In this video, we will review how to configure and present slideshows. To create a custom slideshow, click the Slideshow tab, click on the Custom Slideshow button, and then click on Custom Shows. Click New, enter the name for the custom show, and then select the slides for the custom show. Click Add, and then click OK. To immediately view the show, click on it and click Show. Otherwise, click Close. To configure slideshow options, click on the Slideshow tab, and then click on Setup Slideshow. Notice the different options available. You can set it to loop, you can show it with or without narration, so just make sure you set all of the appropriate options and then click OK. To configure slideshow resolution and use presenter view, return to the Setup Slideshow button and then look at the multiple monitors options. You can check Use Presenter View if you want to use it, and then for slideshow monitor you can choose Primary Monitor, and then this will allow you to choose a custom resolution. After you set the options, click OK. Now let's take a look at presenter view. Because I am on a laptop and I'm using the laptop only, I do not have an external monitor attached to it. Even if I would pull this up in slideshow view, you would not see presenter view, again because I don't have an external monitor attached to it. So if you haven't seen presenter view, this is what it looks like. This is what you as the presenter will see. Your audience would just see a regular slideshow, such as this. That's what they'll see. This is what you would see, and you would have these different options for presenter view. You can also see your notes over here if you have entered notes in the notes pane. To rehearse timing, click on the Slideshow tab, look in the Setup group, and then click on Rehearse Timings. And notice that it starts recording, and you will just click through all of the slides, pausing on each slide for the appropriate number of seconds. And I'm just going to close this since it's a demo. And then when you finish, you can either save the slide timings or discard them and try it again. To navigate within a slideshow and annotate a slideshow, you will use the tools in the left corner of Slideshow View. And if you hover your mouse over the bottom left corner of Slideshow View, you will see these tools. You can move backwards and forwards in the presentation. You can use the tools for annotation. You can change it to a laser pointer. You can use a pen or a highlighter if you need to make marks on the slides. You can quickly switch to a different slide in the presentation. And then if you click the last option button, the little shortcut menu appears. And for this example, we will just end the show. And I don't want to keep the annotations, so I will discard those. And this concludes the review for configuring and presenting slideshows.